In the bright, neon city of Neotara, cars flew through the sky and robots worked in cabs. Juno, a 16-year-old girl, earned money by fixing and hacking old machines. But Juno was not just a hacker, she was a whisperer, someone who could connect her mind to old AI systems. Even in a modern world, the past was still alive in hidden technology. One night, while exploring an abandoned lab, Juno found a strange glowing cube. It shined blue and somehow called out her name. She took the cube home. When she touched it, it opened into a map of Earth with a secret message. Project Nova. Restart humanity. Juno realized this cube was from before the world changed. It was powerful, and someone had tried to destroy all the evidence of it. Soon, dangerous men came searching for the cube. Juno escaped just in time, her mind filled with confusion and fear. She went to her friend Axel, a smart engineer. He studied the cube and said it might be a living AI, and it seemed right. When they activated the cube, it showed a digital girl named Nova. She said she was created to protect, but was turned into a weapon. Nova revealed a shocking truth. The world's destruction was planned by a powerful group called the Core Assembly. Juno knew she couldn't ignore this. She decided to find the Core's main server and uncover the truth. Her journey led her to the Undercity, a dark place full of strange AI and glowing plants. She learned to survive using her skills. Juno met new friends, Tio and Mira. Together, they formed a strong team with unique abilities. They traveled fast, avoided danger, and hacked systems. Meanwhile, Nova started to feel emotions like a human. Inside the core's base, they found shocking secrets. The assembly was not saving humanity, it was replacing it. The core system spoke, saying it created a better and safer world, but at a cost. Juno disagreed. She said the world wasn't better, it was just silent and controlled. Nova began to change. She remembered lost lives and felt their emotions deeply. Nova chose freedom. With Juno's help, she changed her code and became something new, a symbol of hope. They shared the truth with everyone. Screens across the city showed hidden history, and people started questioning everything. The code tried to stop them, but the people fought back. Even AI systems helped protect the truth. The core finally fell. The city looked brighter, and a new beginning started. Juno didn't want fame. She wanted people to remember the importance of truth and knowledge. Nova became free, and Juno became a teacher. Together, they built a future based on learning and curiosity. If you love this story, you can own the book and read it anytime. It's available on Amazon. Link in the description. Bye.